Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're diving into the absolute wild, decade-long rise of DeepSeek.
People called it AI's Sputnik moment. Like it just fell out of the sky overnight.
But the real shock? It didn't. They actually built this step for step right alongside American labs.
Let's rewind to 2015. We've got two completely different starting lines emerging here.
Over here, OpenAI. And over there, Liang Wenfeng's quantitative hedge fund, Highflyer. That hedge fund DNA is crucial. We're talking ruthless efficiency and intense, zero-sum adversarial thinking. Predicting U.S. export bans, they actually secretly stockpiled around 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs back in 2021. When the 2022 chip bans hit, that exact stockpile forced them to innovate through sheer constraint. It created a massive divide: unconstrained American hardware abundance versus DeepSeek's do-or-die hardware optimization. To survive, they used mixture of experts. It drastically reduces computation without shrinking the model's brainpower. Next up, MLA. This literally compresses the massive memory requirements when the model is actually running. Finally, RLVR. They trained reasoning using cold, hard math proofs instead of super expensive human feedback. The result is staggering. DeepSeek V3 costs just $5.6 million to train. OpenAI, around $100 million. Then, boom, January 2025, the highly efficient DeepSeek R1 officially launches, the real Sputnik moment. The fallout was insane. It topped the App Store and wiped $600 billion off NVIDIA's market cap. But instead of locking it away, they made it open source, a direct attack on American subscription models. This definitely wasn't charity. It was a brilliant, calculated geopolitical maneuver to disrupt American AI dominance. Governments panicked over data and censorship. But honestly, banning a global open-source repository is practically impossible. Those U.S. chip restrictions were meant to be a ceiling. Ironically, they forged the ultimate hyper-efficient competitor. So I gotta ask, what happens to this incredible forced discipline if their hardware ever becomes abundant?